So I have some alarming news. Not even sure if I should share this, but I'm going to. My apartment is the messiest that it's ever been since me living here. Since I moved here. It is, when I tell you it's in shambles, friends and family, it is in shambles. I almost don't even want to show you. I'll do a quick glimpse, so you know, get your peepers ready so you can get it, so you can get into it, yeah. But it's pretty bad, and I'm gonna spend the day cleaning. We're gonna do a little spring cleaning moment. Come along with me. Hopefully, maybe this will inspire you to clean your own apartment if your apartment is messy. But yeah, I don't know what happened this week. I've just been living like a pig. Pigsty vibes, hey! All right, so here's the living room. We're gonna just give you just a quick shot. Oh, here is the kitchen. Ooh, embarrassing. Bedroom is a disaster. For the ride, like and subscribe. Let's start cleaning. Alrighty, folks, get into it. Yeah. Get into it. Get into this cleanliness, okay? Get into it. Okay? Look at that. Shine bright like a diamond. Rihanna's the best. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Yup. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything greater? Mm-mm. Look at that floor shining. Stove sparkling. Got a few more dishes. I will do them. But most everything else is done. Amazing. Anyway, that is the end of the video. Thank you for coming along my cleaning journey. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna go clean myself now, and I'll see you in the next one.